Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Erect. Erect means construct. For example, the guest house was erected in the 18th century. The guest house was erected in the 18th century. Synonyms: build, construct, put up.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Before a builder can erect a house, there has to be a foundation. Now, repeat after me. Before a builder can erect a house, there has to be a foundation. The second exemplar. It had failed to prevent the builder of the flats from erecting a substandard structure. Now, repeat after me. It had failed to prevent the builder of the flats from erecting a substandard structure. The third exemplar. Fred Snowden served as business manager of a church when it was erecting a church building. Now, repeat after me. Fred Snowden served as business manager of a church when it was erecting a church building.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The most used adjective in the English language is good. The most common noun in the English language is time, and the most mispronounced, and often misspelt, word in the English language is pronunciation.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.